Everyone says Penang has the best food in Malaysia, and they're right. But it is also very easy to have the worst food experience here if you don't know where to go or what to eat. So I went out of my way, ditched the tourist traps, followed the locals, and even ended up at some Michelin guide stalls. And this is what I found. It's so good. Oh my god. It is spicy. Hey, I'm Akanksha and welcome back to the channel. After the love you gave to my Kuala Lumpur food guide, I knew I had to do one for Penang. But this time, I wanted to go beyond the usual lists. These are the spots locals eat at, and some of them are even Michelin approved. So let's get eating. My culinary adventure started with a hidden gem run by a mother and son duo. This stall does not have a name, but locals call it the mother and son Wonton Mee spot. I ordered a bowl of Wonton Mee and absolutely fell in love with it in the first bite. The noodles were springy, the char siu had the beautiful caramelized edge, and the broth, so much depth for such a humble bowl. Right now I'm at a place called Ali Nasi Lemak Duang Pisang, and this is where you get some of the spiciest nasi lemak, and you can choose which meat you want and guess how much it is. 3 ringgit, that's $1. This is breakfast food and they are open from like 7, I think. I got one with chicken and one with anchovies. So this one is with anchovies and egg, and it's supposed to be spicy. So let's see. I haven't had like really spicy food yet. Oh my god, it is spicy. Okay. Whoa. Amazing, guys. The chicken one is kind of like, the meat is a little chewy, it's hard, but they are really popular, really busy. So you know that the food is not like kept overnight. They're almost out of stock. The sambal was sweet, spicy and rich. This tiny packet packs a punch. It's popular but still very local. Next was Prescribe Street Hawker Center. That is a mouthful, but this place is a late night spot full of legends. I came here for 2 things. So this is the Chagee Teow, and it's got prawn, eggs, I think a little bit of pork. By the way, this only cost 11 ringgit. I got the small one. It's so good. And you know the smoky flavor of the pan? It's fantastic. And I also tried the Oyster Omelette. Not gonna lie, this one didn't win me over. A bit too gooey for my taste, but still worth trying if you're curious and if you like seafood. After stuffing myself at Prescribe Street, I needed a good night's rest because food coma is real in Penang. And if you're looking for a place to stay in Georgetown, Penang, then I have 2 recommendations because I actually stayed at these 2 places during my trip, and both turned out to be perfect for exploring Penang's food scene. First up was Citadines Connect Georgetown. Super modern, stylish, and right in the heart of the city. The rooftop views, insane. Plus, it's walking distance to some of the best hawker centers. Then I moved to Citadines Connect Cecil. This is my room basically. It's super comfy, super convenient, minimal, modern, just so close to everything. It has got all the amenities you might need for a very comfortable stay. Both these stays are super convenient, clean, and just the right amount of bougie meets local. I'll leave the links below if you want to check them out. Okay, this list is not only about the food because I have a recommendation for a drink as well. This is Chagee, and it kept showing up on my TikTok for you feed, and I was like, okay, I have to try it out because so many people recommended it. It's really famous for its teas, and I ordered like their signature white oolong peach tea. Oh my god, this is, I think, I was not expecting this taste. It's light, floral, and perfect after all that fried goodness. Now I know why people like it. Then came dessert. Mango sago with ice cream from Tim Choi Sam Desserts. Creamy, juicy, chilled to perfection. It was like a tropical hug in a bowl. Now you need to keep in mind that Penang is a place where you do not go to fancy restaurants. You look for small stalls with a queue, and that's where you know the food is amazing. And that is exactly how I found the Penang famous Samosa stall. You will find the stall as soon as you enter Little India, and you'll be surprised to see that it is a Michelin guide stall. I wanted to try the mutton samosa, but I think it was sold out, so you can tell how popular it is. But I tried the chicken one, which was just cooked to perfection. Flaky on the outside and juicy on the inside with the right amount of spices. They've got a variety of versions, even catering to vegetarians, so don't forget to pick a bite while you are exploring Penang. Next was Asam Laksa at Penang Road Famous Laksa. Yes, that is exactly what this restaurant is called. And this is also exactly what Penang is famous for. Asam Laksa from this iconic stall was so different. Oh my gosh, I can't pinpoint the taste, but I think this is the best laksa I've had. The tangy tamarind broth, the fish flakes, mint and pineapple, it's wild and refreshing. No wonder this place is always packed. I waited in a queue for 30 minutes to get in, but every single bite was worth the wait. Mind you, this is also a Michelin Guide restaurant. New Lane Hawker Center is a small night market in Penang. I tried Chee Cheong Fun, rice noodle rolls topped with thick sweet sauce and sesame seeds.
Yeah, that's the dish.
Such a comforting dish. It might be simple, but it's full of nostalgia for locals and a must try if you want to really try authentic food.
That was really good. It had this sweet taste, and I think it was a little bit more like, oh, this is nice. Okay, I'm gonna have this as well. So this is what you call Pai Tee. It's a nonya dish.
This is a unique fusion cuisine that originated in Singapore and Malaysia, specifically in Malacca, where you can find a mix of Chinese dishes cooked in Malay style. These little crispy cups are filled with shredded vegetables and topped with sweet savory sauce. They are crunchy, refreshing, and totally addicting. It's one of those bites that's light but still full of flavor.
I think this is vegetarian because I can taste potato. So good. Very different, not spicy at all. So you can definitely try this if you are not into eating spicy.
888 Hokkien Mee is another Michelin recognized stall, and their version is special.
One Hokkien Mee, mixed noodle, and with egg and roasted pork.
Rich broth with prawns, eggs, and roasted pork. Yes, pork belly in a soup. This was easily one of my top 3 bites in Penang. This place is also always packed, so you have to be patient if you want to eat here. Now, you cannot leave Penang without trying Rojak, and I tried it at Gurney Drive. This is where a lot of locals come together to have dinner or lunch, and this night market is a must visit.
I've just reached Gurney Drive, which is a massive hawker street food stall area, and it looks like a very local place because all I see here are locals and local street food stalls. Okay, I don't know what is Rojak, but let's try. I'll try one, a small. Okay. Thank you. How much?
Small one.
6. Okay. Oh, that's very cheap. It's like $2, less than $2.
2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Stick to enough.
Enough.
Okay.
Let's try this because I have no idea what Rojak is.
Rojak is a fruit-like salad but drenched in shrimp paste and crushed peanuts. I was really not sure what I was ordering, but when I tried it, I found it very, very
Interesting.
It's sweet, savory, funky. It's like a taste test for your palate. And finally, I ended one of my days with a comforting South Indian meal at Woodlands.
And yes, I'm going here for all my vegetarian lovers because I know I don't show you much vegetarian or vegan food. So this is one place where you can go because this is purely vegetarian. And it has got great reviews on Google as well as some TikTok recommendations. So I thought, let's go and check it out.
This is another Michelin Guide restaurant, and
This is Mysore Masala Dosa with coconut chutney and sambar. Just with the chutney first. The outside is crunchy, the inside is soft. That is exactly how a dosa should be. Oh, yum!
if you're craving something Indian in Penang, this place is perfect.
I really like this because the flavors are mild. Nothing is overpowering each other.
And also you'll find that the Malaysian South Indian food is slightly different than the Indian version. So tell me, which of these foods is going to be the top of your list? And I can confirm that Penang's food scene is wild, full of flavor, history and heart. But to really enjoy it, you need to know where to go. And I hope this guide helps you eat like a local and skip the tourist traps. And if you haven't seen the Kuala Lumpur food guide, it's right here. I have a whole different variety of foods that I tried in Kuala Lumpur, completely different from what I tried in Penang. So I highly recommend you check that one out as well. Also, if you like this guide, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel because I have a lot more things coming up, and I will see you next week. Bye!